Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito lang po yung likod Ransom Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful na meaningful na tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyong lagi nabangan, sinubaybayan at pinakamahal na Ransom Tarot Channel. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagkasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ni Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. May shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Alamin niya natin, Scorpio, ano bang iyong aasahan or kapalaran mga ganap para sa darating na Chinese New Year, Year of the Fire Horse sa February 17, 2026. Sige, isang shuffle pa, Scorpio, at wag na nating patagalin pa ito. Sige. Okay, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kunin na natin ang isang 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Scorpio. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po o nakarasanis po kayo sa ating reading, mag-comment po kayo. Nag-reply po ako sa mga comments, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe po at ating channel. I hope and pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan, you're safe, you're healthy, and of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon. Hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. Last 3 cards please for Scorpio para sa Chinese New Year. Okay? So your 10 cards are now complete, Scorpio. I know that you're so excited. Sige. Let's begin, Scorpio, with your opening card, which is the Queen of Swords. I can see here, Scorpio, na siguro meron ka pang mga, what is this, parang mga unresolved issues, unresolved traumas ng mga nakaraan, past trauma. So that's why parang, although you're doing your best to move forward, but still, parang bumabalik ito sa iyong isipan or parang hinahunt ka nito. That's why ito yung nakikita natin dito. Scorpio, maybe you're doing your best to move forward, to heal, to recover in the present time, but still nakikita natin dito because of the clouds at the backdrop na parang may mga bumabagabag pa rin na mga problema, or it's like, these past things or mga nakaraan mo na parang keeps on coming back to you, na parang nag-serve as a blockage, as a negativity that serves also as blockage for you, Scorpio. Okay? Parang hinahunt ka, parang it keeps on coming back. Although you thought, kala mo naka-move on ka na dito, but parang sa ngayon ay bumabalik-balik pa rin. Okay? Titingnan natin. So, yan. We have here the Emperor card. So, I can see here, Scorpio, that is related to someone, masculine energy ito. Although, oftentimes, pag nag-read ako, pag lumalabas ang Emperor, it represents the universe or what is ang Panginoon. Okay, because it's a masculine. But now, I feel a spirit download na itong reading natin yon ay may kinalaman sa isang lalaki, masculinity, maybe asawa mo, kuya, tito, or something na parang related dito sa past trauma na bumabalik-balik sa Scorpio. Okay, kung sino man to na parang medyo malakas, matipuno, or someone in authority na lalaki. Okay, this is one na related dito sa parang bumabagabag, problema na bumabagabag sa isipan mo na you thought you've healed already or you have moved forward with this situation na nagawa nitong tao na to sa'yo, or parang siguro betrayal, pananakit, abuso, ano ba yan, ghosting, iniwan ka, kung ano man. So, something about na nagbigay talaga sa'yo ng hindi magandang experience. Okay? So, Scorpio, mag-comment po kayo kapag nakarasan ito, ha? Tingnan natin. Okay, we have here the King of Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so this Knight of Pentacles for Scorpio is that in terms of money and finances, you don't have to worry. Wala ka daw dapat ipag-alala. Actually, so far, okay naman, stable naman ang lahat para sa'yo. And if you're going to ask the universe if sa kasalukuyan ba ay magiging maganda ang iyong takbo ng finances, yes, it's a big yes. I can see here na because galing ka sa laban Okay, galing ka sa laban na pagtagumpayan mo, you're holding the pentacle, it means the reward, or sabihin yung trophy, yung napanalunan mo ito pentacle. So, expect na mas marami pang darating po sa'yo. Okay, but ito lang talaga itong bumabagabag sa'yo. Although finances wise, pero wala kang problema. Ito lang mga past traumas na that keeps on haunting you or keeps on coming back on your memories. Okay, naaalala mo pa rin. So, tingnan natin. But in terms of Scorpio, in terms of money, finances, you don't have to worry. Walang problema. Kung siguro kung ngayon, sabihin nyo, ay, sinungaling naman, wala talaga akong pera. Yes, the universe will tell you that may parating. Okay, may parating. So we have here also Three of Pentacles. I would channel this card, this Three of Pentacles dito sa sinasabi kong Queen of Swords at Emperor na parang trauma, past bad experience mo about someone na parang masculine energy or lalaki na bumabalik-balik pa rin sa isipan mo. I can see here it's like a bad reputation in terms of money, investment, parang itinakbo ang pera mo or parang ninakawan ka or ano ba to, basta transaction na hindi maganda. Transaction about money, transaction about pera na parang ito yung naging cause nitong trauma, past trauma or bad experience mo sa taong yan. Siguro pinangakuan ka na ganito, bibigyan ka, babayaran ka, or it's like no, someone na parang too good to be true, magaling siya magsalita. It's because siguro he showed parang kagalang-galang siya, pwede siyang pagkatiwalaan, but yung tunay niya pala ugali is not like that, na parang manloloko pala. Okay, it's all about this kind of transaction, under the table transaction, scam, panloloko, may kinalaman sa pera, Scorpio. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I know that hindi madali ang lahat na maka-move on ka. It will keep on coming back for you. Of course, matagal ng panahon nangyari yan, pero bakit bumabalik-balik pa rin sa'yo? But, sige, i-entertain mo lang yan. But how you're going to react is the best way na magiging nagagawin mo. Kasi andito yung Knight of Cups. After all of that trauma, after all of that bad experiences that you have experienced, here the Knight of Cups signifies victory and success. Ito yung patutunguhan mo, Scorpio. Normal sa buhay, na may mga pagdaanan tayo, lalo na yung mga masakit or painful one. But sabi ko nga, it's how are we going to deal with it? How are we going to recover ourselves? Kung paano natin muling bubuuhin ang ating sarili na para muling makabangon. This Knight of Cups signifies victory. Bakit? Ayan, galing ka din sa laban, you're holding the trophy. You're the one who claimed the victory, kayong nanalo. Napagtagumpayan mo despite all the adversities, despite all odds na lahat ng grabe yung pinaghirapan mo, but still ikaw pa rin ang nagtagumpay. I can see here also related to malapit, di ba, Chinese New Year itong dinidil natin, ayan yung horse. So it will be fast, magiging mabilis din ang pag-move forward mo, Scorpio. Mabilis mo rin makakalimutan yung mga traumas na yan na keeps on haunting you. Just focus on your goal, on your dreams, Scorpio. You will be guided by the universe also. You will be guided by the higher being ng Panginoon. At kung ano man, sino man ang pinaniniwalaan mo, Scorpio, just move forward. Keep on moving forward kasi maganda ang patutunguhan mo with this Knight of Cups. Of course, nature ng tao na makaranas ng mga painful mga experiences, paghihirap, problema. But still, sabi ko nga, it's how are we going to react. It's how are we going to put the pieces to solve it and how are we going to rise up to the situation ang napaka-importante para may pakita natin sa lahat na we are not a failure, kaya natin lagpasan ng lahat ng problema. Before we proceed to sa second row natin, Scorpio, kapag naka-resonate po kayo, please comment, like, share, of course. Don't forget to subscribe po. Yan lang po hingin kong tulong sa inyo. Sige, Scorpio, for your Chinese New Year reading, let's continue this Queen of Cups. Kita mo kung gaano ko connected ang mga baraha. Itong Queen of Swords, sinabi ko may mga trauma or past painful experiences na bumabalik-balik sa'yo. So, here, this Queen of Cups, okay, the universe wants to tell you that slowly accept it. Wala na tayong magagawa, nangyari na yan. But ano bang gusto sabihin nito? Kung ano ba ang aral na mapupulot mo. It's how are you going to learn from it. Ano ba ang mga ideas na magpa-pop up sa'yo dyan? Why don't you use that problem or painful experiences? It's like, sabi nga, if somebody throw oranges sa'yo, then make an orange juice. Sabihin, kung paano mo gagawin instead na negative yung situation, paano mo magagawang positibo yan? Why don't you use it? It's like to make a brand or to make para mas lalong iangat ang sarili mo. Okay? Reflect on what are the values, what are the learnings na makukuha mo dyan sa painful experience na yan. Scorpio, magugulat ka, baka yan pa yung makapag-angat sa'yo, baka yan pa magbigay sa'yo ng breakthrough. Okay? So, we have here the King of Pentacles. So, kita mo. Look, we have here the Emperor, diba, sa pangalawa. So, then, we have the King of Pentacles. This is stability in terms of money. Sinabi ko talaga sa iyo, you're not going to worry in if we're going to talk about finances, Scorpio. No question about that. Okay? May maganda kang trabaho, high-paying job, you have a stable business that keeps on giving you stable income, you have properties, you have acquired a lot of, personal items, jewelries, kung ano man yan nakakatulong sa iyo in terms of crisis. So this King of Pentacles signifies that Scorpio, you are blessed in terms of finances. Okay, it's because you have been protected by the divine universe. You've been protected by your ancestors and guardian angel. So, maaring ito ring mga properties mo, itong pera na meron ka, came from inheritance na mana mo rin sa mga magulang mo, sa mga ancestors mo. Okay, so that's a good news for you. That's a good thing na malaman natin yan, Scorpio. So, we have here Sun. The Sun card signifies a bright future ahead for you. So, here comes the Sun. Alam natin kapag dumadating ang Sun gives life. It makes everyone bloom, or it makes everyone happy. 'Di ba? Ang sun ang nagbibigay ng buhay sa universe. Kapag wala ang sun, maraming mga living organisms ang hindi magpo-produce ng flower, hindi mamumunga. So anong gusto sabihin nito? The sun will give you the clarity, will give you the happiness, the contentment that you are been waiting for, Scorpio, for a long time. Just move forward. Tanggalin na yung takot, tanggalin na yung mga pangamba. Here comes the sun. You will be gaining your independence. You will be fearless again. Magiging matapang ka ulit para harapin ang hamon ng buhay, Scorpio. Okay, magkatapat din sila ng Knight of Pentacles. So, in terms of finances, no worries na naman. No question about that. Malinaw na ang sun, this sun card signifies that, ulitin ko, in terms of finances, you're not going to worry kasi meron ka ngayon, marami pang parating at marami pang ibibigay sa universe ng mga blessings sa'yo. Okay? So, Two of Cups, partnership, ayan, tingnan mo talaga. Di ba magkatapos sila ng Three of Pentacles transaction, sabi ko na hindi maganda ang hangarin. So, this is again a reminder for you, Scorpio. Please settle, maging makontento na muna sa kung ano meron ka ngayon. Baka may lumapit sa'yo sa mga darating na araw na, hoy, Scorpio, huwag ipag-partner ka sa akin. Maganda to, malaking kikitain mo dito. It's too good to be true, please. Kung wala ka namang balak sa ngayon, I am sending you a warning. The universe is telling you, Scorpio, please do not enter any kind of partnership or collaboration at this time sa mga i-offer ng mga tao na lalapit sa in the coming days. Kasi magkatapat sila nitong Three of Pentacles, that may be transaction na yan o kung ano man yung engagement na yan or partnership will fail. And of course, mahirap na kung hindi mamunga or hindi mo ma-meet ang expectation mo tungkol sa partnership na yan. Of course, if it will fail, it will affect your mental health, and of course, maapektuhan rin yung pagkatao mo. Okay, Scorpio? Be careful. Maraming scammers ngayon. Sige, tapusin natin tong Chinese New Year reading with Scorpio with its 10th and last card, which is Page of Pentacles. This is a very beautiful ending card. You will be happy. You will be contented. Not only in Pentacles, hindi lang sa pera. Career-wise, love life, all aspects of your life, you will be happy. Look at this very vibrant color yellow in the background. Color of joy and happiness. So, talagang ito, hawakan mo Pentacles. Makatapat din sila ng Knight of Cups, which is victory, success, good news, positive result in terms of career, love life, all aspects of your life. There's no question about it. No doubts. Walang pwedeng mag-question sa'yo. Walang pagdadalawang isip talagang Scorpio. Sa kasalukuyan, you are in a very good situation. Meron lang talagang makonting mga past traumas, past painful experiences na bumabalik-balik sa'yo na naaalala mo. But still, you're going to move forward. You are on the right path. Tama yung tinatahak mo. At the same time, you are on the path of stability. At the same time, happiness and contentment. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa pag tutuloy-tuloy ang happiness na mararanasan mo. And with that, I'm so happy for you, Scorpio. I'm wishing you all the best, Scorpio, sa darating na Chinese New Year 2026. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Scorpio makaparoon nito ngayon. At kapag nagustuhan nyo or na-crush kayo, please do comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.